Is it? Damn. I don't know what mine's at right now. I'll tell you. Hold on.
Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me.
There he was. Oh shit. Get him. Oh, what? What the fuck? An HC-40? He just like one-tapped me. I was weak, I guess. Oh, I should be using my AK right now. I gotta get headshots with that. No, my aim was shit right there. Holy fuck. Blue. Oh, won't let me throw. Won't let me throw it. Oh shit. I was trying to throw a fucking care package. It won't let me do it. It's like they made the thing. Like you have to throw it in like specific spots now. It kind of sucks. Oh, I don't even want that. You can have it. It's like a drone. It's in the back. Get him, dog. Yeah. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, shit. My dog's just eating them all right now. Oh, fuck, you got another one. Oh, he's still alive? Where are you going next, dog? Oh, that's your dog. Nice. I confused ours. I guess mine died after that third kill then. So it's just 3 kills now. Are you using ASM-10? It is one that did get a buff. I don't know if you read patch notes at all. They didn't change it though. They might have put a secret one on, but it wasn't in patch notes. Did you get to read them at all? You know where they're at, right? Alright. Oh my god, I'm just fucking running through these people right now. Jesus Christ. This game. Oh, I got 19. 20. Make that 20 bomb. Let's go. That was a good little game. They only got 23 kills. Jesus. I think I did like once, maybe twice. But it's because I got shot in my back. Hell yeah.